Today, we are going to learn how to fetch share market data using Zerodha, Python, and Jupyter Notebook. So, let's get started. First, we are going to import required libraries. Our second step is to set start date and end date. Step 3 is to add credentials of your Zerodha account. Here is the code. Now assign your login user ID to variable user ID. Second, for auth code, log into your Kite account. Select any share and time frame. I am selecting the time frame to be 1 minute. You can select as per your requirement. And now open the developer tool. In developer window, go to the network tab. If nothing shows on this window, just refresh the browser. And all the required details will be available. Next, search for log related to minutes, as our time interval is set for minute. As you have selected minute log in the network tab of developer window, on the right side, again search for authentication text. Copy its complete value from ENC token till end and switch back to the Jupyter Notebook. Paste authentication value next to the variable auth token. And save.